Hello and welcome. Today we are going through example practice multiple choice to prepare for the property and casualty exam. Question: which loss is covered under a standard homeowners policy? Here are the answer choices. Choice A is vandalism to a house vacant for 20 days. Choice B is government seizure. Choice C is damage caused by rats. Choice D is the flood of a century. The correct answer is vandalism to a house vacant for 20 days. Vandalism is covered if the home has not been vacant longer than the policy's 60-day vacancy limit. Question: fire, lightning, and extended coverage perils are part of which dwelling form? Here are the answer choices. Choice A is DP1. Choice B is DP2. Choice C is DP3. Choice D is DP4. The correct answer is DP1. DP1 provides basic coverage including fire, lightning, and limited extended perils. Question: which would not be covered under HO Section 2 liability? Here are the answer choices. Choice A is injury from rented property. Choice B is injury from a rowboat. Choice C is injury by insured off-premises. Choice D is injury caused by insured's child. The correct answer is injury from rented property. Liability arising from business or rental property is excluded under HO Section 2. Question: which is an excluded cause of property loss under HO 3? Here are the answer choices. Choice A is damage by pets. Choice B is wear and tear. Choice C is damage by raccoons. Choice D is flood. The correct answer is damage by raccoons. HO3 excludes losses caused by wild animals such as raccoons. Question: for a 30-foot boat, how does Section 2 liability coverage apply? Here are the answer choices. Choice A is automatically covered on and off water. Choice B is covered off water, on water if endorsed. Choice C is only with the boat owner's policy. Choice D is never covered. The correct answer is covered off water, on water if endorsed. Large boats need a watercraft endorsement for on-water liability. Question: farm policy coverage G, other structures, includes. Here are the answer choices. Choice A is detached garage. Choice B is fence. Choice C is main house. Choice D is tractor. The correct answer is fence. Coverage G applies to other structures like fences, not the dwelling or machinery. Question: which endorsement allows truckers to swap trailers? Here are the answer choices. Choice A is hired/non-owned auto. Choice B is trailer interchange coverage. Choice C is lessor as insured. Choice D is drive other trailers. The correct answer is trailer interchange coverage. Trailer interchange coverage lets truckers temporarily exchange trailers. Question: which entity would not qualify for a business owner's policy, BOP? Here are the answer choices. Choice A is a small boutique with 20 employees. Choice B is a 50-unit apartment building. Choice C is a city government. Choice D is a gift shop selling crafts. The correct answer is a city government. BOPs apply to small private businesses, not governmental entities. Question: how is a business owner's policy best described? Here are the answer choices. Choice A is a single-line policy for small businesses. Choice B is a multi-line policy tailored for small businesses. Choice C is a multi-line policy for large companies. Choice D is a multi-line policy for medium-sized businesses. The correct answer is a multi-line policy tailored for small businesses. BOPs combine property and liability coverage into one package designed specifically for small business owners. Question: which is covered under the liability portion of a BOP? Here are the answer choices. Choice A is professional malpractice. Choice B is advertising injury. Choice C is intentional acts. Choice D is pollution liability. The correct answer is advertising injury. BOP liability coverage includes advertising injury, but excludes intentional acts, pollution, and professional errors. Question: where in an insurance policy is the insurer's promise to pay stated? Here are the answer choices. Choice A is declarations page. Choice B is policy definitions. Choice C is policy conditions. Choice D is insuring agreement. The correct answer is insuring agreement. The insuring agreement contains the insurer's promise to pay for covered losses. Question: intentionally keeping your car unlocked with keys inside in a high-crime area demonstrates which hazard? Here are the answer choices. Choice A is moral hazard. Choice B is morale hazard. Choice C is physical hazard. Choice D is metaphysical hazard. The correct answer is morale hazard. Morale hazards involve careless or indifferent behavior that increases the chance of a loss. Question: without endorsements, equipment breakdown coverage pays losses on which basis? Here are the answer choices. Choice A is functional replacement cost. Choice B is replacement cost. Choice C is actual cash value. Choice D is market value. The correct answer is replacement cost. Standard equipment breakdown coverage pays replacement cost for damaged equipment unless modified by endorsement. Question: Parker prepaid $10,000 annual business insurance but cancels halfway through the year. What is his pro rata refund? Here are the answer choices. Choice A is slightly over $5,000. Choice B is slightly under $5,000. Choice C is $6,000. Choice D is cannot be determined. The correct answer is slightly over $5,000. Pro rata refunds return the unused premium amount, which would be slightly more than half of $10,000.